How to get verified on Twitter. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. You have to click on Google Chrome first. As you click on Google Chrome, then go to Twitter Help Center. I have already opened that. As I click on Help Center, now on the search bar I have to write impersonation. As I click on impersonation, there will be first option, report impersonation account. As I click on report impersonation account, now I have to scroll down and go to file an impersonation report. As I click on impersonation report, then I have to select an account is impersonating me or something. Then I have to go down and select the account is pretending to be someone I am authorized to represent, or you have to select whatever the site or scope of your account is. As it loads for some time, you have to go down and you have to fill in all of your information over here. As you fill all of your information over here, now you have to submit and then you can get your account verified. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.